My people, how na day? Na me, you David, na brother. In case you never subscribe to this our channel, subscribe to this channel because as we drop the news, you go to see them. Subscription are free. You don't get anything when they go take for your phone. You don't take anything. They make it be say the thing if we just the drop and we go to see them, and YouTube will recognize us. Now make we they beg you, may you help us subscribe so that YouTube will recognize us. Anything when we drop, we will quit the boast and out. We will quit the get on. God bless you. The one when they bought today now be the one when they happen for Madagascar. Madagascar don't they shortalize everybody. As their president don't come out, everybody say they don't get cure for this disease where they kill everybody for everywhere. They tell us say they don't get cure to coronavirus. So they don't use until they treat everybody when they their country. Now make and say people when they their country, they know they die. And their president I come out tell this one say they don't get the cure. Say the cure, say now true herbal medicine I they take do one. Say they collect a leaf. Just like Africa get herb where they collect some leaf, collect some tree. They come mix them together. Although they not tell us exactly the thing when they take make up, but they say now all those natural herbs now they gather together to do the medicine. Say the medicine now it don't cure coronavirus. Say for their side, people when they use them for all of them they well. Say they not get people when they die for their country now. True as we they talk to you, so Madagascar they get 186 cases. The total case when they Madagascar now 186. They never get any death record at all. Nobody don't die from Madagascar. And the people when don't recover now 101. So if you see now you see say they get positive result well. They get 186 cases. Then as for today now no new case report. They never get anybody when he died for that place at all. Now only now 101 people now they don't recover out of 186 people from Madagascar. So they say they get the cure. Say now the medicine now then they use. Now the Madagascar come they give neighboring Africa. They send and go give Africa country made they use they treat themselves. As we talk now, Nigeria, they don't send Nigeria home. Although it never reach Nigeria, they Equatorial Guinea now. Because now from there, now they go push and come. They say the zone by zone, they load down for each from some country. They can't push and go their other country because of transportation. So that one flight will just free carry and go different place when they carry and they go. So Nigeria, where they expect and say it will come. Despite that, Nigeria say if the thing come, then go technical analysis before they start to the user. So but Nigeria, they never say anything about although but Nigeria never said anything about this thing, say whether they go use them or not. But they say they must make sure say the thing it pass through test before it then go start to the user. As we they talk to you now, the WHO say they not sure for the medicine because the medicine, the content when it they know they scientific approve because most of the thing what they do Madagascar not good tell people waiting they used to do the medicine because they themselves they want to take over the drugs because if they tell people many countries go try do one now make them they not go come out talk waiting they take do one but many countries say then go try them before they can use them. But some country don't already start to the user. Some country don't talk say the thing is they good well. Country like Tanzania, Congo, Brazzaville, Guinea-Bissau, and Equatorial Guinea. All of them don't already subscribe to the drugs. Say the drugs they okay. Say then they don't use them. But Nigeria with the wait, make we see waiting our government will talk about the drugs. That they call the drugs COVID Organic. Now COVID Organic, that be the name of the drugs. This one it come from Africa. Make we see how the world will take on, whether they go accept them or not. Because we don't fair here say chloroquine, if they cure am. Now chloroquine don't fit do anything again. And so they get different drugs when they first mention. Even American president he endorsed chloroquine before, but at the end of the day, the chloroquine don't fit do anything. Now this organic, COVID Organic, now we the way for now. COVID Organic, now the name when they give them. Nigeria they never received their own, but Nigeria they expect and say if they didn't come, then go make sure say it pass through test. They must check wetin dey inside before they go use them. They must check wetin the thing they do before they use them. So as we dey talk now, Nigeria don almost get 4,500 cases for Nigeria of coronavirus. So we dey wait wetin go happen.